In the summer of 1997, I took a trip to Alaska with my family. Although I didn't know it beforehand, I was about to get a glimpse of nature's grandeur that would stay with me forever. My experience began when I saw the glaciers. These gigantic mountains of ice and snow towered over us as if we were insects. The booming roar of the ice calving from the glaciers echoed across the sound and seemed to go on and on. I couldn't get enough. Each glacier I visited seemed more magnificent and fantastic than the one before. Having seen glaciers from a distance, I naturally wanted to see one up close, so my family and I ventured to Seward, Alaska, where we explored heads of glaciers and parting ice fields. The hike from the base of the glacier to the top was only 3.5 miles. What I didn't realize was that it was 3.5 miles almost straight up. I should have guessed that I was in for a challenge when I saw all of the warning signs. Being the adventurous sort, I proceeded up the mountain. The scenery was breathtaking, and come to think of it, so was the climb. After climbing for what seemed like forever, I looked back to see how far I had come. The parking lot where we left the car was a tiny pinprick in the distance. With only a little food and water and a searing pain in my side, I couldn't help but wonder, would I ever reach the top? As I advanced in my climb, the terrain became more rocky and snow-filled. Finally, I reached my destination, and there stretched before me in a seemingly endless blanket of white was the Harding ice field. It took about 6 hours to get there, but it was worth every agonizing step. I stood there in wonder and awe. Nature had truly outdone herself. Reluctantly, I began the journey back down to the car. It has been almost 14 years since I saw the glaciers, but looking at the pictures brings back the feelings as if it were yesterday. I can't wait to go back.